QUIC.cloud offers 4 page optimization services, each of which improves your page performance in its own way. Today, we are going to talk about the Unique CSS service, also called UCSS for short. If you would like to follow along and get UCSS working on your own site, you will need to have the following: a WordPress site set up and in working order, a copy of the LiteSpeed cache for WordPress plugin v3.0 or later installed and activated, your WordPress site paired with QUIC.cloud, and a QUIC.cloud account. If you don't have this set up yet, see the video description for instructions. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. While HTML determines the structure of your web pages, CSS determines what they look like. Nearly every web page owes its aesthetics to a series of CSS files that are loaded with each page request. These CSS files define every possible style all of the pages on your site may need. As a result, they may be large and complex. However, most pages don't need every style definition, and resources are often wasted parsing CSS code that is irrelevant to the current page. This is where Unique CSS comes into play. Unique CSS allows you to discard unused CSS code for each page, and load only the necessary style definitions required to make the page display properly. One potential issue with Unique CSS is disk space. If you have a site with 1,000 pages, then you will potentially have 1,000 different UCSS files to store. And if you enable Cache Mobile, as we strongly recommend you do, you'll need to double that amount. If you have other cache varies to consider, the number of UCSS files generated will grow exponentially. Before you enable UCSS, be sure you have enough disk space to support it. All QUIC.cloud optimization services are configured and initiated from the LiteSpeed cache plugin for WordPress. To enable Unique CSS from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to LiteSpeed cache, then Page Optimization, then CSS Settings. Set CSS Combine to On, then set Generate UCSS to On. Save your changes. Next, navigate to LiteSpeed cache, then Cache, and set Cache Mobile to On. We recommend this because Unique CSS for a mobile view will be different from that of a desktop view. Finally, purge all, either from the admin bar or via LiteSpeed cache, then Toolbox, then Purge, so that the plugin can create new cache files for each page. This is necessary so that each page's HTML links to the correct combined Unique CSS file. Here's how UCSS works. When a user visits a particular version of a page on your site, if that page version does not yet have UCSS calculated, it is added to a queue. Periodically, the WordPress cron sends the queue to QUIC.cloud. QUIC.cloud processes each of the page versions in the queue and generates UCSS for them. QUIC.cloud notifies WordPress that the UCSS is ready, the cron picks up the UCSS and saves it, and finally, the next time the page versions are cached, LiteSpeed will link to the Unique CSS file in the page's HTML. You may have noticed we said page version and not simply page. This is because it's possible that a page viewed on desktop may have different UCSS than a page viewed on mobile. And there may be other variations of a page's design based on things like currency, language, or the visitor's WordPress account role. Each of these versions will have a different UCSS file generated for it. We mentioned previously that the LiteSpeed plugin is the place to enable and configure your Unique CSS service. If you want to monitor the service or pay for additional quota, that is done on the QUIC.cloud dashboard. To monitor UCSS usage for your example.com site, navigate to QUIC.cloud dashboard, then example.com, then Page Optimization. At the top of the page, you will see a list of your most recent page optimization requests received by QUIC.cloud. There are multiple page optimization services, but each service is in its own tab. Select the UCSS tab. Scroll down to see your usage for the month, your free quota for the month, the tier your domain belongs to, and the monthly subscriptions available to you. At the bottom of the page is the Pay-as-you-go option, which allows you to purchase additional quota for page optimization services on an ad hoc basis. Like all QUIC.cloud services, you will get a certain amount of free quota to use every month. Once this quota runs out, you can purchase more, or you can wait until the following month when QUIC.cloud replenishes your freebies. UCSS is part of a pool that also includes critical CSS and viewport images. This means QUIC.cloud charges requests from all of these three services together. If you regularly exceed your free allotment, you can choose a monthly subscription that adds 10, 20, or 30,000 requests to your quota. Quota purchased through subscriptions resets at the beginning of each month. Another option is pay-as-you-go, which allows you to refill your quota, 5,000 requests at a time, whenever you need it. Quota purchased in this manner carries over from month to month and does not reset. You can manage pay-as-you-go manually or enable auto-refill to top up your quota whenever you're running low. See the description below for more details about pricing. QUIC.cloud's unique CSS service can take unwieldy style data and boil it down to the bare necessities. UCSS provides a collection of style definitions stripped down to include only those required to render the requested page. This leads to faster load times and improved customer experience. Simple sites are not likely to encounter any problems with Unique CSS. But if you find that UCSS makes your site look wrong, our CSS Troubleshooting documentation can help. If you're still having trouble after that, open a ticket, and our support team can give you a hand. We hope you will give this service a try. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to check out the videos introducing our other QUIC.cloud optimization services.